Have you ever wondered what lunar nodes are and why they are important in astrology? This question may have crossed your mind. Today we're going to delve into the intriguing concept of lunar nodes. In the simplest terms, lunar nodes are the points where the moon's path in the sky crosses the ecliptic, the sun's apparent path. These nodes are not physical entities, but mathematical points that hold great significance in astrology. They represent our spiritual life lessons and the evolutionary direction of our soul. The North Node, also known as the ascending node, points to the future, our karmic direction and life lessons we need to learn. On the other hand, the South Node, or the descending node, points to the past, our comfort zones and karmic baggage we need to release. These nodes are like a compass, guiding us on our journey of self-discovery and growth. Stay tuned if you want to dive deeper into the fascinating world of lunar nodes. So what exactly are lunar nodes? These are essentially the points in space where the moon's orbit crosses the Earth's path around the sun. To understand this better, picture two circles overlapping at a slight angle. This is how the moon's orbit around the Earth intersects with the Earth's orbit around the sun. Now, because these two orbits are tilted relative to each other, they intersect at 2 points. These points of intersection are what we call the lunar nodes. There are two of them, the North Node and the South Node. The North Node, also known as the ascending node, is the point where the moon's path ascends or goes above the Earth's path. Imagine the moon taking an upward leap, crossing the Earth's orbit from below to above. That's the North Node for you. On the flip side, the South Node, or the descending node, is the point where the moon's path descends or goes below the Earth's path. Picture the moon taking a downward dive, crossing from above the Earth's orbit to below it. That's your South Node. These nodes are always directly opposite each other in space, like two ends of a seesaw or a balancing scale. This means when the North Node is in one sign of the zodiac, the South Node will be in the exact opposite sign. Now you might be wondering, why does this matter? Well, these nodes have been observed and studied for thousands of years. They hold significant importance in astrology and are believed to be connected to our past lives and future destiny. In essence, the North Node is often associated with our life purpose or the lessons we're meant to learn in this life, while the South Node is connected with our past lives and the skills or traits we've brought into this one. Now that you have a better understanding of what lunar nodes are, let's delve into their significance in astrology. Why should you care about lunar nodes in astrology? Let's dive into this fascinating topic. In the vast cosmos of astrology, lunar nodes hold a special place. They're not physical bodies, but mathematical points that mark the intersection of the moon's orbit with the ecliptic, the apparent path of the sun around the Earth. But their significance extends far beyond this celestial geometry. Lunar nodes, namely the North Node and the South Node, are often referred to as destiny's gatekeepers. They symbolize the cosmic dance between our past, present, and future, creating a narrative of our life's journey. The South Node, also known as the Dragon's Tail, is said to represent our past lives and the lessons we've learned from them. It embodies the familiar, the experiences and traits we bring into this life, providing us with a sense of comfort. Yet, it's also a reminder of the patterns we may need to break free from, the karmic debts we need to pay. On the other hand, the North Node, or the Dragon's Head, is our compass pointing towards our destiny. It indicates our life path in the current life, the experiences we need to embrace, and the growth we're meant to achieve. It's often associated with challenges as it compels us to step out of our comfort zone, but it's through these challenges that we find our true purpose. In a birth chart, the placement of lunar nodes can give profound insights into an individual's life path. The signs and houses the nodes fall in can reveal the areas of life where we may face the most growth and transformation. Whether it's understanding our past, navigating our present, or shaping our future, lunar nodes serve as guides. They're the cosmic blueprint of our soul's journey, helping us understand our karmic destiny and life purpose. So, the lunar nodes are not just mere points in our astrological chart, they are our spiritual GPS, providing us with a roadmap for our soul's evolution. Indeed, lunar nodes play a crucial role in understanding our life's journey from an astrological perspective. Let's now take a closer look at the North Node. The North Node, also known as Rahu, is a pivotal point in the celestial sphere where the moon's orbit intersects with the ecliptic, the apparent path of the sun. It's a spot that's not physically present, but its influence is undeniable in the realm of astrology. The North Node is all about growth, expansion, and the pursuit of our life's purpose. It's the compass guiding us on our journey, pointing us towards the experiences and lessons we need to embrace for our soul's development. It's the mountain peak we're yet to conquer, the uncharted territory inviting us to step out of our comfort zone. But what does this mean for us on a personal level? Well, the North Node can shed light on our inherent strengths, the passions we might not have discovered yet, and the potential we have to grow. It's like a personalized roadmap, urging us to take the road less traveled, to learn, to grow, and to evolve. In astrology, the North Node represents our karmic path and the lessons we are destined to learn in this life. It's believed that by understanding and aligning with our North Node, we can achieve a sense of fulfillment and purpose. It encourages us to confront challenges head-on, to seek wisdom, and to strive for personal growth. The North Node also plays a significant role in shaping our personality and life events. It influences our relationships, career choices, and even our health. It's a driving force that pushes us towards our destiny, nudging us to make choices that lead to personal development and transformation. It's important to remember that the North Node isn't about comfort or ease, it's about growth, which often comes with challenges and discomfort. But it's these challenges that shape us, that help us evolve into the best version of ourselves. So, the North Node is all about moving forward and embracing new experiences. It's a call to adventure, a beckon towards personal growth and fulfillment. It's a reminder that life is a journey, and every step we take, every challenge we face is a part of our unique path. Now, let's shift our focus to the South Node. The South Node in astrology has an intriguing and profound significance. Often associated with our past lives, it symbolizes the knowledge we've gained and the challenges we've tackled. Imagine it as a spiritual suitcase packed with the lessons we've learned and the wisdom we've accumulated from previous lifetimes. The South Node is not just about our past, it's about understanding how our past shapes who we are today. It's about recognizing the strengths we've developed, the skills we've honed, and the resilience we've built. These are the attributes we carry with us, the tools we have at our disposal as we navigate the journey of life. But the South Node is not all about the comfort of the familiar. It also represents the patterns we need to break and the habits we need to outgrow. It's like a well-worn path that we've trodden so many times that we can walk it with our eyes closed. But just because it's familiar doesn't mean it's the right path for us now. The South Node urges us to step off this familiar path and venture into uncharted territory. It challenges us to grow, to evolve, to become more than what we were. It's a reminder that while our past shapes us, it doesn't define us. We have the power to change, to learn, to grow. In our current life, the South Node can provide valuable insights. It can help us understand our instinctive reactions, our default settings, and our comfort zones. It's like a roadmap of our past, pointing out the paths we've taken and the paths we need to avoid. Understanding the South Node is like reading an old diary. It's a journey into our past, a chance to reflect on where we've been and how far we've come. It's a reminder of our strengths, our resilience, and our capacity for growth. So, the South Node is about our past, what we bring with us into this life. To sum up, lunar nodes are indeed a fascinating aspect of astrology. These invisible points, where the moon's orbit crosses the ecliptic, hold an iconic status in the astrological world. As we've learned, they are not just celestial coordinates, but compelling signposts guiding us through life's journey. The North Node, often seen as our spiritual GPS, guides us towards growth, development, and purpose. It's where we're headed, the unfamiliar territory we're encouraged to explore. On the flip side, the South Node represents our past, the lessons we've learned, and the comfort zones we need to leave behind. In essence, lunar nodes offer a profound understanding of our past, present, and future from an astrological perspective. They provide us with a unique roadmap, helping us navigate the celestial tides of our lives. So the next time you look up at the moon, remember the profound influence of the lunar nodes on our lives. Until next time, keep exploring the stars.